Yeah, hello, what's up, tech guys? How is it going right there? And onto this class, I'll be taking you on how to set up good policy on Windows Server 2016. You want to stop your employees from playing with your computer. You want to stop your employees from playing with your taskbar. You want to stop your job you want to stop your employee from playing with their job and doing unnecessary things on the computer you offer them to work with. Now this class is for you. You want to, as a sysadmin, know how to set up good policy objects. This class is for you. I'm welcoming my new subscribers. If you're just joining this class, kindly check the description below and check for the recommended video that will help you to understand more on Windows Server 2016. Now, before I go deeply into this class, I would like to introduce to you some things. Some things that is very very important, and something that would change your life if you could do it. Now, you are a YouTuber, a content creator. I have some tools here that will help you, that I would like to introduce to you one after the other. The tools is going to help you. One is going to help you to create your video successfully, and the other one is going to help you to carry out some services, like knowing more about freelancing, as well as learning courses, hiring a freelancer to help you carry out your hard end tasks, as well as every other services. Like, you want a web design, you want a graphics design, you want to do a video promotion. This software and this website is for you. Now, over to those tools and explain to you how this work. Now, this is the home page. Now, you want to join the Fiverr affiliate. You want to earn more aside your YouTube. Then you could join this Fiverr affiliate, in which I'll be dropping all the necessary links in my description below. You just try and check it, and you will get click on it, and you'll be able to join by clicking on this join, and you'll be able to register and get things running for you. As well as you want to grow your business, freelance service built for team, introducing Fiverr freelancing management tool powered by venture talents. Now, you want to as well grow your businesses and um every other activities of you. This one is for you to grow your businesses and to get more advantage. It should be, in case you want to use their tools to grow your businesses, please check the description below to use the link, which I'll put there for you. And you as well want to demand skills on demands online professional courses. You want to learn online professional courses, like marketing, creating high converting landing page to your website, personal branding, Facebook ad techniques. You want to learn all these things. This one year is for you. Like, you want to grow your mindset on business. You want to learn how to market your product very well. This one is for you. You can as well check the link in the description below to lead you there. I think I open this choice. Okay, now you as well want to you want to you want to do you want to handle paperwork from proposal to payment and co. Take ahead of all of freelancers, so you can take back to the work that drives you. Now, you want to do a paperwork and so many things, smart seamless freelancer to build management and grow your business. Like what? Like proposal, invoicing, payment, contract, time tracking. You want to track your business, you want to track your workforce. Now, Fiverr has a way of helping you to what to carry that out successfully. More time working and less time worrying. Fiverr will take care of the worries while you do your work. Now it is trusted by over 400,000 freelancers and businesses that are using this word, that are using the services, and it's going smoothly. So you don't doubt it. Check the word description for the link and use this to what to make life easy. I mean, when I say easy, easy for you. Now you want to join. You want to join Fiverr, like you want to buy services, or you want to join the freelancing group. Now use this link that I've dropped in the description below to join this to join into Fiverr, and you'll be able to buy or sell. That's that. And I have these tools. I mean, this tool is super good, and it's what I've been using that has helped me so far in content creating. It's what I'm even using right now to do this video that I'm about to do now. This software has so many upgrade edition. It is called Human Sentences Studio. Now you want to edit your video. There's so many features. I mean, so many. When I say so many features, let's bring out these features one by one here. I just want to take my time to explain to you what you need. I know you as a creator, you need it, and you can't parody it. Now it's this is real woman real voice with a new technology that gives stunning results. I mean, when I say stunning, first of its kind technology with professional actors in your video, synthetic woman voice test. These are the features that is given to speech English only, plus fully integrated Google text to speech for 40 languages plus 74 voices, evolutionary lips snatching technology, stunning life like facial movement, cloud-based, no installation required, extremely easy to use. Can you see the interface is so easy? Background and audio back included, simple editing interface. Can you see it's all in one software? Tap into the hood spokesperson market, commercial license available. Now hiring a spokesman for your video can cost you a lot. So why can't you just get these tools that will help you to do so many things that you pay high for, just by you learning how to do this, and as well using it effectively to help you make your video successfully. Now it's not only that, there are more to it. There are more to this one. There are more to it. Now, sales video, voiceover service, branding videos. I mean, like authentic videos, add commercial, educational tutorials, presentations. If you want to do a presentation work, this software will do it for you. Training videos, demo videos, animated videos. Now it's good when you connect it to a gear like a pod. I mean, that will help you to get vocal very well. Explainer video, Instagram stories, talking edge services. Now this software is for you, and it will help you a whole lot. I mean, a whole lot. So it has a lot of versions. I mean, a lot of versions. Now it's very easy to use, and the less price of 60 unlock. With the list price of what, of $75. Now the prices are varies depending on the edition you want to use. Now, as a matter of fact, I would like to continue on this. Now let's go to the what, to the now on this one here. This is ugly to woman sentences studio. These are the prices that varies depending on what, on the edition you're trying to use. For this one is or is enterprise, is the enterprise studio. You are only going to pay $67 to what, to do this. Now onto the next one. The next one is the audio suits. The audio suits. The lowest one starts at what, at 125, which is most likely per watt per 100 watts. So if you have a 1000 watt script, you're looking at what, at 1250. So these are what, these are the prices. I mean price difference, or you can get lesser depending on the what, on the says. Now onto the next one. This one is unlimited woman video, 25 sub user account, maximum video duration plus 157 additional videos. So you can, this is the pro version. The pro version. So you can use the link to what, to get this software, so we won't waste our time, so we can go get into the real class. You just use the word, the description below to check the one you are interested in, and you can purchase. So guys, while we get ready for starting this class, I will go over to my Windows server. And we're gonna start this wonderful class. Okay, so why is loading? Let me explain more about group policy objects. Group policy object, I mean, we wonder why enterprise, like organizations, spend a lot of money in Active Directory. Like this, since I will associate is because of the easy to use interface and the lot of features that it has. Only on what, on group policy object, organization can hire hundred of employees just to effect this group policy, because there are a lot of tasks in it and only one person can manage it. There are a lot of things you can do on this. Sorry about that. There are a lot of updates, I mean there are a lot of features that you can do with group policy object, and which I've been explaining to you earlier in the beginning of this video. I mean you can shut down the system of a particular system from where you are. You can control anything that has to do with the network. Anything that is already attached to the server, you can control it from the right place you are sitting as a syst admin. But make sure that you join the computer, I mean the user's computer to Windows server, so you can be able to carry out the task. So now you'll be minding what have I been saying. Now you learn by doing, and you know by showing. Let's get on. Now I'm going to over to this and click on policy management. let me let me increase the view of this so we can what we can. So now I will expand this. Now this is what the forests. This is my domain. I have what technical or local as my domain. Now this is good policy management where you want to carry out all the tasks successfully. Now the first thing you are going to do is what is to create an organization unit. This organization unit will help you to know, like it's good to work to create an organization unit and what create the group policy objects. So once you create that, then you'll be able to add users into this group policy object for the settings to what to take place. I mean, for the settings you've made that you're asking the computer to do from the server, or the settings to take place, you have to add all those users into this group policy object for it to work, for it to be very effective. Now, while I'm saying tests, while I start by showing you how this thing is being done. This class for group policy objects. I'm going to click OK. So once I click OK, then refresh. I'm going to expand something there. Can you see all the group? All the organization. Like in the Active Directory, I have some already organization unit that I have created. Now I will over by what. Can you see the one I just created here? This class for group objects. I will over to this group policy object, and I'm going to create a group. New GPU group policy object. Now for class test technical OU. Okay, so now I've created the group policy object. Now I'm going to over here, and this is where the real thing started. So I want to start by showing you how this has been done. Okay. No, I'm not linking yet. I have to do the settings now. Let's see. Generating report settings. Kindly hold on while I set this properly. Yeah, welcome back, guys. And now, once that has been done, I think it's some issue with my world, with my Active Directory. So I've set that. Now, I will right click on this and I will click on edit. Very good. So now this is where we starts the real thing. And the real thing. The real thing. Now I will expand this for your eyes only. Let me make this full. Okay, so guys, I will expand this. I will expand this so that you can see what I'm trying to show you. So this is what is the computer configuration. We are not dealing with this today. This is the policy. This is the word administrative templates. Now can you see we are here right now. Now all settings. So can you see now what you can do with so now can you see all the things you can do with your word? Sorry about that. With all your word with your computer, you can ask your word, you can ask the computer to what to back up only. You can ask the system on the network, all the systems in the network. You can imagine when you have like hundred thousands of computers and you are working in an environment where they are using hundred thousands of computers, and is what is joined to the server. Now you can ask you can activate shutdown your virtual tracker system. You can do anything. Like you can do a lot of things. You can put a team. You can set up a team to all the 1000 work computer at a time using the group policy object. Now it is very easy. You can work with your control panel. You can ask the server to shut down the taskbar. A lot of things you can do. You can control your printer. You can activate internet printing. You can do custom support. You can do a lot of this app printer wizard from the computer that will all the other computers in that server network will be able to use. You can repopulate printer. You can add display unit, as I said earlier on. You can as well control the taskbar, pin apps to start when installed, start a layout on the system. You can do a lot of things. See, you can do cables. You can set a log on. You can even log out a user from from this server. I mean, from your server, from where you are sitting, without not standing up, and it will take effect once the user will sign out and sign in back. Everything will take effect. You can see as the you can see that shut down. You can ask the computer to shut down. System restore from where you are sitting without not standing up on every computer. You can remove storage. You can remove taskbar. You can troubleshoot and diagnose all system that is having problems. All you need to do is set out the user, see policies. You can do a whole lot of things in this these policies. So I'll click on this. Let me show you how to do one. Now control panel. Control panel settings. Very good. This is where I'm coming. Now can you say I'm at the control panel settings. Now in this place you can do a lot of things. This control panel settings, you can schedule the taskbar. If I click schedule the taskbar, see, if I click on it, can disable the taskbar from here. Sorry about that. All you need to do is to right click, then all tasks disable. Then once you disable it, they won't be able to to do anything. They won't be able to access the taskbar and what on that file. You can right click on this as well and disable this. You can hide your control panel. You can shut down the services from where you are sitting. You can shut down the service. Just right click and click disable, then every services will be shut down. Now a lot of things you can do. You can check the, I mean, if I can't do all this thing, I can't do all the tasks that is here. What if you want this, if you want to do a specific task, you just go check on under content and you can ask how it's been done. Like now, let me say I want to, let me look for something here. I mean, to show you precisely how it's been done on my end. Like, I mean, the all settings has a way of bringing all the features in that group policy. So let me look for something that I can easily do here, because there are a lot of things here and I can't show you. I mean, there's no way I'll be able to show you everything. I mean, organizations hire 100 of computer to carry out these things successfully without no issue, because group policy object is a way of you protecting your computer and affecting it. Now you can ask the server to not display. Oh, sorry, that has gone again. There are a lot of settings here that if you're not careful, you won't get it right. There's a lot of settings here. You can sniff, enable MIME sniffing, NTFS. I mean, you can do a lot of things. You can remove oh wow, I think that has gone again. I think I need to be calm. Let it load finish. I want a task that I can do to end this class. I mean, a specific task that I can show you how it's been done. There are a lot of things you can do here. Now, okay, I saw one I can show you. I mean, this thing is too fast. Too fast. There are a lot of things you can do with this. There's a lot of things. Okay, whenever I see the one that is very interesting that you can work with, I don't know, log on option. Okay, now let users turn on, I mean the users in the network turn on and use enterprise mode from the toolbar, from their toolbar. Now what you're going to do here is to edit. Once you click on edit, you come here, you click on enable. Once you click on enable, then you click on apply. you can do next settings, you can do more advanced settings. Let window app access account information, you can enable that too. Let windows access account information, you can enable that too. Next settings, you can do a lot of things. It will be taking you to the next steps that you can do. So but once that is being done, you can click on the apply. Let me click on previous one. You can click on apply. Once you click on apply, I enable this. Once you click on enable, then user should access apps, to access account information. So what else is done? Then you click on apply. When you click on apply, so then you click on OK. So what else is done? Then so this is how you do every other things you want to do here. Like can you see it's enabled? That's what it has been enabled. This tool is enabled. It's not in what configuration. So once this is being done, you ask the user to what to kindly log out of the server and log in back. But before that, or before this could take effect, there's another thing I would like to show you that you must not have it. And I'll close this first before I can show you. Now it will take us back here. Now once you've set that and you've created the test OU and the test class for group policy object, now there's a thing you need to do as well. You need to link this group policy object, which is the organization unit. You see that there's no any group policy object that is in this. You need to click on it and link an existing GPU. Then you link this technical.ou and click on OK. Can you see you have you have everything set up, and that is that is done. So you have already set this. Now to see the effect of what you've done, you would go to your tools and go to Active Directory users and computer. Once you click on Active Directory users and computer, it's come out. Then you refresh. Let's see first. You see that there's nothing here. There's nothing. Okay, it has already take place automatically. Let's click on it. You see there's no item showing in this view. I think this is what we created. Test user.ou. This is what we created earlier on. Then we refresh. Click on refresh. User. I think I already linked it. So why is it not taking effect? Okay, fine. Now I understand this. I didn't have any computer that is joined into this server. I'm just showing you, but should be in case you want to learn more, you want to know more about these things, please you can enroll to my one-on-one classes, and I will show you how you can set up your own lab and do all these things effectively. I will show you how you will install your Windows Server 2016 and have a Windows Server 2008 as well as the computer. Then we will do these things one on one. I will be able to explain better to you how this is being done. Because of my time, let me kindly round this up by showing you some things that will also benefit you should be case you need it. Now I'll end this class by minimizing this. Then should be case you need this for your use. Accept gift cards and vouchers. Now the gift cards, in case you want to do any activities, or you want to buy any activities on, I say, Amazon, eBay, iTunes cards, you can go to my word. You can use my link. You can use the link in my word, in my channel, to check this out. I say cards, Steams, iTunes, Amazon, Google Play, on what, on my Instagram page. And in case you want to, what, you want to enroll for the class, you can as well reach me here, and what you we talk about what the class you want to enroll. We have other classes that you can, what, you can enroll it, which will help you in your technical career. Mind you, we as well have tools that can help you, like security tools, eye trackers, and we also set cameras, iPod, that will help you to create a good video as a, what, as a content creators. This is not, what, is not leaving anyone behind. Anyone that is interested in what tech, or that is using tech, must have this software. The software is, what, is Windows Server 2016, and as well should be, in case you are having issue with your system and you want to get an antivirus, we send it on 360 premium that will as well help you to run this effectively. We have the MCSA CCNA study guide, computer security, computer network, and computer aid, and we sell vouchers that will help you to write an international exam. So you can endeavor to message us, and we'll try our possible best to attend to you. Thank you for watching this video. Now, before I round this up, let me explain one thing that you need to know. So once that is set up, make sure you have your computer, I mean your Windows computer attached to this server, or less it won't show the the effect of the work you've done. You just don't, you think that there's nothing. I'm just showing you how it's been done. This is for educational purposes, but if you want to know more and you want to go more deeper in the practical aspect of group policy and any other topics in the world in Windows Server, kindly endeavor to enroll for our class. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video, and please kindly support me by clicking on the subscribe button, and comment down below and let me know your name. Thank you so very much.